Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. In exercise 6b, it is also subtraction. Subtraction is taking borrowing tens and hundreds. It is very easy. First A, you can see 528 minus 37. You can see that 8 is bigger, 7 is less, so it can be subtracted easily. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 is less, 3 is more. So 2 will take borrow from this 100 place 5. It will be 12 and it will be 4. Because 5 has given 1, so 5 minus 1, 4. Now 12 minus 3, 9, and 4 here you can write like this. So in this way you can subtract as taking borrowing as tens and hundred place. B, 146 minus 56 . You see both are equal, 6 and 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. And 4 is less, 5 is bigger. So 4 will take borrow from here, hundreds place, because already you know ones, tens, 100. So this tens, 4 will take borrow from this 100. It will be 14. It will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9. And here 0. So means 90. It means 90. The subtraction result will come 90. In this way, you can do C, D, E. You see question number G and I. Question number G, 650 minus 279. 279. Here 0, 0 minus 9. From 0, 9 cannot be subtracted. So 0 will take borrow. It will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1. And here will be 4. Remaining 4. And 4 minus 7. From 4, 7 cannot be subtracted. So it will take borrow from 100 place 6. It will be 14. And this 6 will be 5. Because 6 minus 1, 5. 14 minus 7, 7. Here 5 minus 2, 3. So in this way you can do. And question number I. You can do question number H yourself, J also yourself. I am explaining question number I. 900 minus 246. 246. You see, ones place, 100 place, ones, tens, and 100. From 0, 6 cannot be subtracted, so it will take borrow 1 and 0, it will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here remaining 9. Here remaining 9. 9 minus 4, 5. And here already here it also 9 also has given 1, so here it will be 8, remaining 8. 8 minus 2, 6. If we are adding this one result and this one, and it is coming 900, it means result is correct. See, 6, 4, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5, 9, 5, 4, 9, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, and 6, 2, 8 and 1, 9 here. So 900. And this way you can check also. So in this way you can complete question number first A to J. Question number second A. Question number second A. 4,328 minus 36. You see, 8 is bigger, so 8 minus 6 will become 2, and 2 is less, 3 is bigger. So this tens place 2 will take borrow from 3. 3 is at 100 place, it will be 12. It will be 12. 12 minus 3, 9, and here it will be 2, because 3 is given 1, 2, 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 is remaining here. You can write here 2, and 4 as it is you can write. Because below 2 you assume 0. You can consider 0 here. So 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 0, 4. So in this way you can assume 0. Don't write 0, but you can assume here. Like this you can do. And you can do question number B, C, D, E yourself. You see question number F. 2F. 5,800 minus 243. 0 minus 3 cannot be subtracted, so 0 will take borrow from. It is ones place, tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. So ones place 0 will take from this tens place 0, but tens place 0 also have nothing. This tens place 0 will take borrow 1 from 100 place 8. So here it will be 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Here it will be 9. 9 minus 4, 5. And here 8 has given 1. So 8 minus 1, 7. 7 remaining here. 7 minus 2, 5. And 5 is remaining here. You can assume 0 here. 5 minus 0. Because here nothing, space is vacant, so you can assume 0. So 5 minus 0, 5. In this way, if you are subtracting 243 from 5,800, you can get 5,557. You can check this. If you want, you can check this that it is correct or not. How you can check? 7, 3, 10, 0, 1 carry. 5, 4, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 to 7 and 1, 8 and 5 plus 0, 0, you can assume here 0, 5 plus 0, 5. So in this way, if you are adding this result, subtracting result with as addition to the what number you are subtracting. So if it is coming the first from bigger number from you are subtracting, so you can get that number, it means it is correct. So in this way you can do question number second also, and from question number third I will explain the next day. Okay, so you can complete first, second, first question of first and second from 6B, and we will copy. So we will copy first and second question. First A to J, and second A to H. In your self copy. Okay. For today's class, thank you.